If you're looking to create custom Mailchimp templates that perfectly match your brand style, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to build these templates, but also how to make them stand out and perform better. Stick around because I'm going to share some exclusive tips that can save you time and help boost your email marketing results. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can try Mailchimp for free by clicking the first link in the description. Plus, you'll get access to some exclusive bonuses, so don't miss out. First thing you need to do is log in to your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, head over to the Templates section. You'll see the option to create a new template. Choose from a basic layout or select from pre-designed templates that you can customize. The key here is to understand that Mailchimp gives you the freedom to create designs from scratch, but if you're looking for something quicker, starting with a pre-made template works well too. Next thing, let's talk about layout customization. Click on the Design button and start adding your blocks. Mailchimp's drag-and-drop editor is intuitive, and it makes it easy to add text, images, buttons, and even custom code if needed. Keep in mind that the layout should be clean, with enough white space, so your content doesn't feel cramped. This makes your emails look professional and easy to read, which is essential for higher engagement. The third thing to focus on is branding. Customize the colors, fonts, and logos to match your brand's identity. With Mailchimp's editing tools, you can adjust the fonts and background colors to match your style guide. Adding consistent branding elements helps build recognition with your audience, and it ensures that your emails look like they belong to your business. Next thing, we're diving into mobile optimization. Mailchimp templates are automatically responsive, meaning they adjust based on the device used. However, it's always a good idea to preview how your email looks on mobile. Sometimes, images or text might not align as well as you'd like. Use the mobile preview feature and tweak accordingly to make sure your emails look great no matter the screen size. The fifth thing to do is save and test your template. Once you're happy with how your custom template looks, save it. But don't stop there. Always send a test email to yourself first. This helps you catch any issues before sending it out to your subscribers. Check the layout, links, and any dynamic content you've added. Testing ensures that everything functions properly, and it saves you from embarrassing mistakes. Next thing, you might want to consider using Mailchimp's automation tools. After creating your custom template, you can set it up for automated campaigns. This is an advanced feature, but it can really streamline your email marketing efforts by sending personalized emails automatically, saving you time while maintaining relevance. Lastly, make sure you stay consistent with your designs. Once you've created a template that works well for your brand, use it as a blueprint for future campaigns. Having consistency across all your emails helps with brand recognition and trust. You can even save your template for reuse, so every new campaign aligns with your previous efforts. To wrap it up, you've now learned how to create custom Mailchimp templates that are visually appealing, functional, and on-brand. Remember, Mailchimp is free to use through the link below, and when you sign up, you'll get an exclusive extended trial, so take advantage of that while you can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.